Alright, got a 2017 Toyota RAV4. We're going to be replacing the air filter. Air filter is located right over here. All you got to do is take out this clamp and this other clamp out. Get them out of the way. Pull up. Lift it up. Pull it out. Go ahead and grab your brand new air filter. Go ahead and start getting it ready to go in. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and start lifting this up. While at the same time, in my case, since I'm doing this one-handed, I'm just gonna let it slide in, but while also being mindful that it will not fully go in until you settle it in place. And now that it's settled, make sure the locking tab's in the back. Make sure it goes in with the back ones. Once those are in, press down and lock. And that's how you do your air filter.